Okay, go. Ephesians. Let's go, pangtingog. Wala dyan may give birth. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ephesians. Obey in the Lord, for this is right. Balik. 1, 2, 3, go. Ephesians 6, 1. Obey your parents. Obey your parents in the Lord, for this is John 11:35. John 30. Jesus. Okay.